Alright guys, we got a 2011 Toyota Camry LE. We straight piped it. Factory converter. I think there's one up there. One right there. Then there was a resonator that was right there. We took that off. Piece of pipe, 2 1/4. Reused the rest of his and then did 2 1/4 on the muffler delete. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. Straight pipe. Sound decibels. 107. Yeah. 107's the peak.
What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Toyota Camry LE, straight pipe, muffler delete, resonator delete.